Hi friends, I'm Youngjun Kim from South Korea. I will teach you Korean, basic Korean grammar or something, or conversation skills. So let's do it. First, I will teach you about Korean alphabet. Korean alphabets. Today, we will learn about consonants. In every alphabet, everything contains two parts. First, consonants, and second is vowels. So consonant plus vowel make some word or, or syllable. So today I will teach you about Korean consonants. So let's start. First, in Korean, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14. There are 14 consonants. So first, I will teach you about this. We call this like we pronounce this consonant like ga. Ga. It's a bit different compared to English. English, like one of the English consonants like C or yeah, it's a bit different when we pronounce Korean consonant, we put ah. Ah. Okay, so this is ga. We cannot pronounce just this one consonant. If we want to pronounce consonant, we put vowel. So we put the vowel ah to pronounce this consonant. So ga, ga. And this is na, na, ga, na. And third, it's da. Okay, ga, na, da. And this is la. Ga, na, da, la. Okay, and this is ma. Okay, ga, na, da, la, ma. This is da. Okay, next is sa. Sa. Next is ah. You can find. You need to think this really important. For example, this is consonant. Yeah, this is not vowel. I will explain it easily. Okay, we said just one vowel cannot be pronounced. Sorry, we said just one consonant cannot be pronounced. But just one vowel can be pronounced. But we need to put this in here to make one complete syllable. So we use this to make complete syllable. Okay, so we learned 8 Korean consonants. Ga, na, da, la, ma, ba, sa, ah. Okay, so let's do a bit more. So you need to prepare your note and write it in your notepad. So see this usually, and you need to do your best to achieve Korean learning well. Okay? So ga, na, da, la, ma, ba, sa, and this is ah. It is consonant, but we need to put this to make one complete syllable. Okay? Let's continue more. So let's go more. So next is this. It's ta, za, za, za. But yeah, in English, this sound is not a chord. In English, like we cannot find this sound in English, but this sound is like this sound. Ja, ja, ja. This sound we can hear. There is a little sound. Okay, so you need to be careful. It's like ta, 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 ta. When you pronounce this, you need to feel that air is go out your mouth, like ta, ta. You need to pronounce ta, 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 ta. Okay, like ta, 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 ta. Okay, and this is like cha, 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 cha. You need to, this difference is ta, ta, ta. You need to use more power to pronounce this. Ta, ta, cha, cha. Like, for example, if you need to push air like this extent, you need to put air when you pronounce this. You need to push air 10 times more, 5 times more. So za and cha, cha. Okay, so it's a bit hard. Za, 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 cha, cha. You need to push more air when you pronounce this. Okay, and ka, ka. Not this, not this. Is aspiration. You need to push air as well. So not ka, 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 k, ka, ka. Okay. And I think French speakers can speak Korean well, because in Spanish this is pronounced okay, so ka, ka, and this also not ta, is t, okay, so it's not e, not e, not this, is t, It's same like English E, but it's different. Okay, and this also not ta, ta. Okay, last is ha. 자, 차, 가, 타, pa, ha. So you can find in Korean aspiration is really important feature. You can find it, right? So you need to practice aspiration. Okay? So today we learned about Korean consonants. So I will wrap up this class after pronounce every consonant in Korean. Okay? Wait. Be careful. In Korean, yeah, English also, every language, one consonant cannot be pronounced. One consonant plus one ba can be pronounced. So we put a to every consonant when we try to pronounce it. Okay? Also, this a consonant is used to pronounce, you used to speak fa alone. Okay, so let's start. Yeah, I will not write English in front of this because I want you to just try to pronounce as soon as you see this alphabet. So if you feel hard to pronounce it, you need to check. You need to return the video and write about the alphabet that I wrote before. So ga, na, da, la, ma, ba, sa, a, okay, and cha, 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 okay, cha. When you speak it, you need to push air more, cha, okay, za, za, ts, 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 like ch, 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 cha, cha, like when you think about train, like so like that. So cha, cha. This sound is like cha, cha. Okay, so you need to push air more, cha, and ka. Okay, aspiration, and ta, aspiration also, aspiration also. This is ha. So I suggest you to try to pronounce it. Aspiration is really important. Ka, ka. Yeah, you can. Korean people can understand if you pronounce this like this. It's okay. It's okay. But I want you to pronounce Korean like a native Korean speaker. So that's the reason I introduce it to you specifically. Okay, so I finished my first lesson today, so I hope you practice well. See you next lesson. Thanks.